Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm back with the another interview question. So today the question is we have to find those customers who made purchases consecutively 6 months or more than that. Okay. So what do you mean by that? The consecutivity means we all know that which is regular. Okay. Regular 6 months or regular 8 months or regular 9 months. Okay. So we have to find those customers who made purchases minimum 6 months or more than that. Okay, like I made some purchase in January, I made some purchase in February, I made some purchase in March, and January, February, March, April, May, June, till June I made purchases or more than that. Okay, so we have a table, like we have all the details of the orders, like customer ID, we have who and who's the employee attached with this customer, and what is the order date, like everything we have in this table. Okay, so we have only one table in this. Okay, so first of all, we will check the customer ID, and the order date. Okay, and order by customer ID. Okay, so I'll give you the demo. At what does it mean? All right. So as you can see, this is the customer Elf guy. Okay, so the first order he made in August, and then in October he made purchases two times in October. Okay, then again in next year one in the January. Okay, so that means it is not a consecutivity. Okay, but in the last 2 months, 3 and 4 months in 1998, March and April, he made two purchases. In one in March and other one is April. So this is a two purchases. The two times is consecutivity. Okay, so for example, now this customer has made multiple purchases. Okay, throughout the year, like he started purchasing 1996 and he stopped purchasing 98. So like he made purchases in February, then May, then June, then September, likewise. Okay, so now we can see this is the customer we have, like 3 2 1 1 1. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, so that's how it goes. Okay, so we'll check for the consecutivity. All right. So first of all, we required only two columns, like this customer ID and the order date. But what we want the month. Okay, so because we are dealing with the month, not with the whole date, so we'll extract the month details from this order date column. All right. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna use the function which is date from parts. Date from parts. Okay. So first of all, first we'll extract the year from which column? Order date. Okay. Then we'll extract month. Okay, order date. Now I'm going to put the constant value. Okay, one, for example, because I'm not dealing with the date value. Okay, so I'm just putting 0 1. Okay, so it will remain for the every month. All right, and this is the order month. All right, so I don't need this order by. Let's run this. Okay, so this is the customer ID and this is the order month. But I want the like we have multiple customer IDs and multiple same values. So I want multiple, I want distinct values, like single value of each customer. Okay, so what I want, I will check the distinct values. So it will help us the with the unique values, like we have multiple same values of the multiple customers, like some customers purchase multiple times in same month, so that will not give the justice to the output. All right, so what we have 830 rows right now. Now it will reduce to 636. All right, so these are the unique values we have, like we have only one value for the particular month. All right, so, like for the August, October, January, March, April, because we need only one value from the month. Like we are checking the consecutivity. We are not checking how many orders customers purchased. Okay. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to give the numbers for every month. Every row I'm going to give a number. All right. So for that, what we're going to do here, we'll create a CTE. Okay. CTE, and we want customer ID. And for giving the number, what we're going to do here is, uh, first we will check what is the minimum date we have in this whole data. All right, so order by order month. Okay, so what is the earliest date we have? The earliest date we have is 1996 July. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to use the DATEDIFF function. Okay, so I will check the difference from this date to the order month date. Okay, so I'm gonna put the one date and I'll check the difference between the months. Okay, so I'll extract the month value and I'm gonna give the value of, like, we have this year 1996, so I want to give 1996 01 and 01. Okay, so this is the constant value. So every date gonna minus with this date and we'll get the difference between the months. Okay, so now what is this? Order month. Okay, so we have months gap. All right, we don't need this. So we have this month gap value. Okay, so the 19 month gap, 21 months gap, 24 months gap, 26 months gap, and 27 months gap. All right, so if the gap in the chronological order, like the 16, 17, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, so that means this is the consecutivity. This is the sign of consecutivity, like 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So this customer purchased consecutively 8 months. Okay, so this shows the consecutivity. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is, next we have extracted the month values, we have assigned unique numbers to every month. Now what we're gonna do here is, we have the customer IDs and we will give numbers to every customer ID. Okay, so for example, like, we're gonna use the dense rank. Okay, so with the help of dense rank, we're gonna make some partition by customer ID. Okay, so every customer ID will get the ranks according to the uh, order months. Okay, so partition by customer ID and order by the order month. So 1, 2, 3. So it will arrange the with the rank numbers. Okay, so it will help us to generate the uh, row by row values. So just be with me, and order month. Right, so we're gonna give it DN. Perfect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is, we're gonna subtract this column with this columns, this column with this columns, this column with this column. So if we're getting the same values, like we have this, okay, uh, 10 minus 1, 9, 11 minus 2, 9. So that means the sign of consecutivity, because 10 and 11 is in a consecutive order, and we have give the ranks values, row numbers to every record to the particular customer. Okay, so that it is also in a in a numerical value in a serial numbers. Okay, so 10 minus 1, 9, 11 minus 2, 9. So if the values are coming same, so that means the data in a sequential manner or in a consecutivity manner. Okay, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have this 22 minus 9, and 23 minus 10, 11, 23, 23 minus 10, 13, 24 minus 11, 13, 25 minus 2, 13, 26 minus 3, 13, 13. So the 13 values coming again and again. So that means these values are in a consecutive order. Okay, so that means this, if the how many, then we will calculate how many values are in a consecutive order. So that means that number of values are in a, that number of months are in a consecutive order. Okay, so let's do that. Now what we have this, and we'll create again one more CTE E2 as. Okay, select from CTE2. Okay, now customer ID and month. Oops, will subtract gap minus DN. Okay, very all right. So If the values are coming same, these that means this is the consecutive values. These are the consecutive orders. Okay, so this is the consecutive order. Okay, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. So let me put one more uh, order month. Okay, okay. So uh, 13, 8, 8, August, September, October, November, 12, December, 1, 2, 3. So same values means this is the consecutive value. Okay, so we have got our output. Like, so now what we're going to do here is 3 as, okay, so we will calculate as diff, right? So select from 3 customer ID and count. We'll use a group by, will group customer ID, and if column. Okay, and having count greater than or equal to 6, right? Let's on this. Here we go. Like this customer bucks we were counting in the output, having the 8 times consecutively he was purchasing. Okay, so this customer purchased 6 consecutive months, 6 consecutive months, 6 consecutive months. Quick uh, purchase 8 times consecutive. So let me check. Let me cross check. Okay, ID and order date. Okay, where customer ID equals to quick. All right. So let me take the screenshot of this. So we were checking for quick 8 months consecutively. Okay. So what are these months? So 4 is the 1 month, 3 is the 1 month, 2 is the 1 month, 1 is the 1 month. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 months. Okay. 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 months. So perfect. This is the correct output we have. Okay. Quick purchase 8 times consecutively. Okay. So that's how it goes. And guys, if you have a better solution than this, or if I made a mistake in somewhere in the queries, so please share with me and give me your output. I would be love to happy to see your output. Okay, so that's all for today, and I'll come tomorrow with the new question. So I was busy last few months, so that's why I was not able to make any videos. So now I'll start again, and I will shoot every video, every interview question, every new logic for you guys, because I love you all. Okay, so and if you have any questions, so please put your comments. Okay, I would love to see that. Okay, so just give me your solution and keep watching. All right, keep learning. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.